on Royal Princess. We're going to look at cabin M128, Marina Deck 128. It's deck 15. It's somebody's anniversary here. So it's a balcony cabin. So you come in, you got to put your card in there for the lights to work. Oh, well. Anyway. Closet. Some of our luggage is here. No doors or curtains on the closet. You have this. And this thing always swings open and makes that noise when you open the closet. A lot of shelves. Some shelves up here. Life preservers. Shelves. So if you lock the safe, it won't do that anymore. In here we have, you know, the toilet. Tissues, toilet paper, trash can, a message about something, I don't know. Glasses, lots of shelves for razors only. Soap, lotion, mirrors, never get tired of those. Shower. This shower seems bigger than some of the ones I've been in. We got some, I think it's shower gel and shampoo, but I'm not sure. One of these goes up and down, comes off. Some sort of adjustment. Let's go out and see the rest of the cabin. Oh, look, happy anniversary. I think that's the door into the next cabin. Oh, look at the decoration. Look at the decorations. It's somebody's anniversary. So, nice king bed. Feels pretty good. Some drawers. Light. Switches for the other lights. More decorations. More decorations. Somebody's going on a shore excursion. Got their messages about Rotterdam or tours in Rotterdam. Another mirror. In this balcony, you get a couch and a chair. A drawer with a hair dryer in it. A cabinet with a refrigerator in it. Hopefully there's nothing in there. Nope, there's not. So we're going to fill that with wine and water that we brought on board. Curtains and a balcony. We're in the port of Southampton, England. And the door was unlocked. So, two chairs. Chairs recline, some. Of course, there's not a lot of room. Table. And a balcony looking out over the port of Southampton. And that's the Aida. One of the Aida ships, anyway. So, that is a balcony cabin on the Royal Princess. Oh, I might have forgot something very important. I have a big TV.
Oh, okay.
Might be 42 inch. I'm not sure.